Today, we're taking your grilling game up a notch with my signature triple pepper marinade. It's packed with layers of peppery flavor that you won't find anywhere else to make your meat and veggies extraordinary. You can grab the full ingredient list with exact measurements down in the description below. Start by combining 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce together in a large mixing bowl. Next, go in with 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, followed by half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and if you need it, about a tablespoon of water just to loosen things up. Now for the dry side, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, then layer in 1½ teaspoons of ground black pepper and 1½ teaspoons of ground white pepper. Bring in the heat with 1½ teaspoons of cayenne pepper, followed by a teaspoon of smoked paprika. After that, add 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin together with 1½ teaspoons of ground coriander seeds. Then balance everything out with a tablespoon of brown sugar and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together in your bowl or jar until it's fully combined and smooth. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if you want a little more heat or a touch more tang. If you're enjoying this marinade so far, hit that like button, share it with a friend who loves grilling, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll be the first to see our new flavorful recipes. And here it is, our signature triple pepper marinade is all set. This recipe yields about half a cup of marinade, perfect for roughly 2 to 3 pounds of protein. Lightly coat your meat or veggies, let them soak in all that bold flavor, then grill, roast, or pan sear. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to know what you tried this marinade with, so leave a comment below. Can't wait to see you back soon with another bold, flavorful recipe.